Moa Taro Room 9, ko Mr. C toko ingoa. My name is Mr. C and welcome to the Room 9 News for Rā Apata, 13th of May. Haere mai, hoki mai, welcome back after a beautiful warm sunny day yesterday. Lots of walks and bike rides, no gloves needed. Okay, tēnā rā, we've got a couple of great photos and an email to share. Kia ora, thank you for the good news, keep it going, coming in. First up, let's go over to Kupu Te Wiki. This week's word is hui, which means together, to assemble, to get together, have a meeting, as in e haere ana tātou, we are going, ki te, to the hui kura, the school meeting. So e haere ana tātou, ki te hui kura, we are going to the school meeting. That's hui, te reo for meeting. Alrighty, so let's talk about what we got up to yesterday. Got an email from Hunter. He says, hi Mr. Chapman. In the weekend I went possuming with Dad. We got 9 possums and this big stinky ferret. Woo! Today is Reed's 5th birthday. Oh, that was yesterday. Happy birthday, Reed. And I've been helping him make all the Lego that he got from Hunter. Hey! Thanks for those photos, Hunter. Man, that ferret is one stinky hombre, and I know Zach will be happy that one less ferret on the planet. And happy birthday to your brother Reed, as I said, and we'll probably see him when we get back to school, won't we? Okay, much appreciated. Okay, on to health and safety news. Keep looking after your bubbles, washing your hands. When we get back to school, most things will be the same. It'll be lots of hand washing and those personal bubbles, our personal spaces, and we'll keep you up to date on that. Now, there's no new COVID cases, so another 1 million points to us. Well done, Room 9. Weather for today looks pretty good, especially this afternoon. And I've already walked the dog. Bit of a cold start, but cloudy. Had to wear the gloves. BFG news. Now, I'm sorry to say, there's a bit of a problem with the Kindle. I'm going to have to, I don't know what I'm going to have to do with the Kindle. I'm going to have to maybe reboot it and reload the book onto it, or do something. I'll have to figure that out today. So I'm sorry that there's no BFG today, but we'll get back into that hopefully tomorrow, fingers crossed. Okay, birthday news. No birthdays today in Room 9, but Stevie Wonder is having a birthday today. He's a famous singer. One of his famous songs is a really funky version of You Guessed It. Happy birthday. So happy birthday, Mr. Wonder. What a cool name. Alrighty, shut the box time. Now, it's all or nothing. So today, I'm going for, are we here? Oh, it's all or nothing. So, am I ready? Yes. It's all or nothing. 2 and a 1 is 3. A 5 and a 2 is 7. What am I got? Oh no! A 5 and a 2 is 7. I'm going to... Oh, it's the only way I can do it. Well, I could have done a 1 and a 6, I suppose. Room 9, what am I like? Okay, that score is 14,689. Not such a good one today, I'm afraid. Not such a good one. Okay, that's it from the Room 9 team here at the Channel 9 studios. Ka kite pōpō. See you tomorrow. Fingers crossed for the BFG. Haere rā, go well and stay classy, Room 9.